To customize EveryDollar zero-based budgeting, start by understanding the concept of zero-based budgeting, which means assigning every dollar of your income to a specific expense category. Begin by logging in to your EveryDollar account and clicking on the Budget tab. Here, you will see a list of preset categories, but you can customize them to fit your needs. First, review the income section and ensure it accurately reflects your monthly income. Then, move on to the expenses section, where you can add, remove, or modify categories as needed. For example, if you have a car loan, you can add a category for car loan payments. If you have a hobby, you can add a category for hobby expenses. Next, assign every dollar of your income to a specific category. Start with essential expenses such as rent, utilities, and groceries. Then, move on to non-essential expenses such as entertainment and hobbies. Be sure to include a category for savings and emergency funds. A key concept to keep in mind is the 50-30-20 rule, which allocates 50% of your income towards essential expenses, 30% towards non-essential expenses, and 20% towards savings and debt repayment. You can adjust this ratio to fit your individual needs, but it provides a good starting point. As you customize your budget, consider your financial goals, such as paying off debt or building an emergency fund. You can create a separate category for each goal and allocate a specific amount of money towards it. Each month, best practices for customizing your EveryDollar budget include regularly reviewing and updating your categories, tracking your expenses to ensure you are staying within budget, and making adjustments as needed. Additionally, consider setting up automatic transfers for savings and bill payments to make it easier to stick to your budget. By following these steps and tips, you can create a customized zero-based budget using EveryDollar that reflects your individual needs and helps you achieve your financial goals. Remember to stay flexible and make adjustments as your financial situation changes, and you will be on your way to taking control of your finances and achieving financial stability.